get Google Analytics 4 data to Google Sheets using 2 different methods. Method 1. Get GA4 data using 2-minute reports sidebar. Method 2. Get GA4 data to Sheets using templates. Starting off with Method 1, click on Extensions, 2-minute reports and launch. Once the sidebar is open, choose Data Sources. Start naming your data source and choose Google Analytics 4 from the drop-down below. Click on Sign in with Google and complete your authorization process by signing in with your Google Analytics 4 account. Once completed, click on Yes to save your newly created data source. Now move on to the Data Queries section and start creating your new data query. Start naming your query and choose your newly created data source from the drop-down below. Up next, you can start selecting your analytics accounts from the drop-down below. Note that you can either choose single or multiple account views. Next, start choosing your metrics to get quantitative data like users, impressions, etc. These metrics have various categories like Basic, which has metrics like active users, total users, new users, etc. Then Events, which has conversions, revenue, etc. And Comes, Ads, e-commerce, and much more. Moving to the Dimensions part. These are fields which helps to aggregate your selected metrics. These dimensions have categories like Time, which has year, month, date, etc. Then Account, which has property name, type, host name, etc. And then you have User Source, which has first user, medium, campaign name, etc. And much more categories. After selecting your combination of metrics and dimensions, you can start choosing your date range. There are a variety of predefined date ranges available and also custom date ranges which can be selected. Finally, you can select the exact cell location on where your data has to be written. Click on the pointer icon to mark the existing cell location. Click on Run Query. Choose Yes to save your query. Your data will be displayed on Sheets. You can click on the play icon to run the query again, pencil icon to edit the query, and bin icon to delete the query. Method 2. Get GA4 data to Sheets using templates. You can choose templates from either the sidebar or via extensions. Once the template gallery is open, you can filter data source, categories, and also search for a template. Once you choose the template, click on Use. Start mapping your data source by selecting the added data source or by creating a new one. Select the Account Views pages, which can be single or multiple, and name a spreadsheet to get the template copy. Click on Go to New Spreadsheet. Once your template is open, click on Extensions and launch 2-minute report sidebar. Click on Run All Queries to update template to your data. Now the template will be updated to your data source. Hope you got both the methods to get Google Analytics 4 data to Google Sheets.